Welcome to my vlog! How's the walk of love? For life. Once on this island. Hey, good morning from me. What a day today. I love to say, hope you enjoy every day. As on this island of Cebu in peace stay, always will and forevermore play the walk of love I witness daily. To dosage my eyes, heart, and memory, have you once told a story like this? I journey. Me, a product of love from my biological and genetical parent soul. As I always prove, the essentials always preserve, as to not dissolve. The blessing and grace approve. To me I declare, a power of love will see you through, never from only me, but coming in generations come to follow.
When times get rough and your dreams just fall apart, and sometimes you feel that you can't go on. Be strong, hold on, for my love will keep you warm through the coldest night, through the rain, through the storm, and friends turn their backs on you and you're so helpless. You don't know what to do. I'll be on your side to comfort you. My love will see you through. When tears are in your eyes and you feel like you wanna cry, just reach out and I'll be around to understand. When you stumble and fall and you need Just walk on, have faith in your heart. For my love will see you through. My love will see you through when you reach for your star. When you cross the deepest sea, when you climb the highest hill, my love will always be with you in everything you do, in every step you'll make, and every road you take. Don't be afraid to follow your dreams, for my love will see you through.
Daghang salamat sa inyong kaayo ug pagmahal ug sa mga pag-ampo nga imong lubog, Senyor Santo Niño. Viva Senyor Santo Niño. Sa mga kalagyan ni Gregorio Ginting, Gilad ni Sanchez. Ang nagpamisa, Maria Teresa Bintig and family. Bisa pasalamat sa mga Birhen Maria o sa kapistahan ni Senyor Santo Niño o sa maayong paglawas kanunay o sa tanang mga grasya nga among nadawat matag adlaw. Pamisa sa mga kalagyan ni Victoriana, Andres, Rosito, Pedrito, Justiana, Teresa, Alberto, Loreto, Quintina, Agapito, Asila, Felixberto, Macario, Person, Clifford, Gaudenza, Gaudincio Sr., Santiago Sr., Enrique Jr., Epifania, Eulalia, Maura, Dimitrio Regina, Maxima, o sa tanang mga kalag sa purgatorio o sa mga kalag na walay naghandong kanila. Ang nagpamisa, Maricruz Durban o Tomas Durban.
Dool mo.
Bisa pasalamat sa mga grasya o kapiskay sa paggawa sa mga kalag na Benito, Guillermo, Tomas, Sebastian,
Uy, at tarungan ako, mabuhi aning mo ng kuan. Tarungan
Elidora,
ah.
o sa tanang mga kalag sa purgatorio o sa mga kalag na walay naghandong kanila. Nagpamisa, Leonardo at Lumamos family.
Sige,
Pamisa pasalamat sa mga grasya
tayo
na
na
gawa sa kapiskay sa paggawa
magsinulog.
ni Senyor
Kitang
Santo
tanan,
Niño.
magtisinyor.
Ni Senyor Santo Niño.
Tayo na
Pamisa sa mga
magsinulog.
kalag ni
Kitang tanan, magtisinyor. Pit sinyor, 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 pit, sinyor, 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 pit, sinyor.
Maria,
Uy, nilakaw.
Sinaida, Rimaya, Mariano, Victorina, Valeriano, Berida, Teodoro, Ignata, nagpaako, kapunungan ni Senyor Santo Niño.
Tayo na magsinulog.
Pamisa sa mga
Kitang tanan, magtisinyor. Tayo na magsinulog. Kitang tanan, magpisinyor. Pitsinyor, o pitsinyor. Kitang tanan, magpitsinyor. Pit, senyor, senyor.
Every food or fruit or vegetable that can be eaten, I value their, and then I have each lesson get involved in my life to grow up my personality as individual. Now, take look back from my favorite foods I gained from them.
Hey kids, it's time to stop eating unhealthy food. Too much sugar is bad for you. Don't make me call the healthy food police. Are you ready to make some changes?
Stop eating that, stop eating that. Sugary food. Stop eating that, stop eating that. Fatty food. It's bad for you, it's bad for you. Sugary food. It's bad for you, it's bad for you. Fatty food. Too much sugar is bad for you.
Too much sugar is bad for you.
Cake, soda, and lollipops too.
Cake, soda, and lollipops too.
Milk and dairy are good for you.
Milk
It is the time for the green color to be acknowledged for me on my behalf, as the environment in this life, most preferably living for the habitualization for me. Since I caught an attention without any attraction, but duly of without curiosity, it directs me that at first, being individual is duly to be realistic and authentic. I am in line with I was born in this world. So perhaps whatever my able and capable, I have this ability and disability also. Though I carry all these things to sum up all with a God who made me through in his image and likeness, though capable and able of enjoyment of all the pleasurable things can be seen and adapt at without saying any pleasurable worthy, though affecting causing harm to anyone. This is how life proven meant for me. Though we need some opinion from the other's reflection, we can cater it through their own, but without any hesitation to entertain it, to be handled it, to have comparing it with mine as them, so better pursue it. With that two kind of people bathing in the sea, it's obvious that the moon is not yet fully. I saw their feet above in the sea level. There seems like they're droning downward, just playing the type of swim. Oh, there. With that two kind of people bathing in the sea, it's obvious that the moon is not yet fully. I saw their feet above in the sea level. There seems like they're droning downward, just playing the type of swim. Oh, there.